Today we'll be making a tomato paprika chili pepper sauce with the peppers, chilies, green, red. You can use a yellow one if you like, or an orange one. We got some tomatoes, a paprika, a red one, jalapenos, some garlic, and some onions and spring onion. So first we're gonna blend the tomatoes with the paprika and the jalapeno with the spring onion. So I got a little blender here, so I have to separately do everything separate. So as you see, I blended the most. Now it's the last blend. Alright, there we go. And now we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice, some olive oil, some herbs, and salt, pepper, spices which we like, and mix it up, and that's it. Some vinegar, some pepper, olive oil, plenty of olive oil, and last some herbs. This is coriander or koriander. Alright, now let's blend it up, and that's it. And the result is here. This one is my favorite ones. There you go. Enjoy.